Hello, YouTube! Do you notice anything different about me this evening? No? Nothing? Does this video look a little bit clearer to all of you? That's because I'm using a different camera. This is the camera that I was using for the past several years here on YouTube. All those videos that I did, the short films that I did, was shot from this Digicam. I finally got my camera from the contest I won earlier, from that Coca-Cola contest, and seems a very nice camera. It's my wife's though, it's not mine, so it's okay. I'm still gonna use my old camera because we've been through a lot, so I won't exchange this camera for anything. I'm making this video right now because I think the time has finally come for me to answer all these tag videos that have come my way. Lots of people tag happy all the time here on YouTube. Why is that? Huh? First, a tag from Budgirl100, and she asks, who is my celebrity crush? Second question. Give an embarrassing happening in your life. If you will click on that icon over there, you will be able to see a video where I talk about an embarrassing moment in my life. Third question. Give a nice happening in your life. Okay. Once again, if you click on that icon over there, you will be able to see a video where I talk about a nice thing that's happened to me over the last year or so. That's what's great about, doing videos here on YouTube for quite some time. I have an answer for every question that's given to me in video form. Okay, question number 4. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Well, I've been asked this question before here on YouTube, and I said that it was a very, very good question. I think it's worth asking those kinds of questions here on YouTube because it expands our awareness of the technicalities and legalities and the overreaching qualifications of mentally challenged individuals like myself here on YouTube. Okay? I hope that answers your question. Question number 5. Give a message to your missing friends. Well, I have a message to missing friends. Missing friends. Stay missing. That tagging game was originally called Kanto Tag. And I hope my Filipino friends over there would forgive me if I answered in English for the benefit of those who don't speak Tagalog here on YouTube. The next set of questions come from Philly John Pino. He has a couple of questions.
About being an Asian.
Asian game.
Question. As an Asian, what do you like to do every day?
I'd like to eat.
What do you like about being an Asian?
I like being an Asian because we're all good looking. I hope my answers to your question suffice. Thank you very much for asking. Now, if anyone else has questions for me, just feel free to ask me in this video and I will answer in the comment section. I think I'm all tagged out for now. Thank you very much. YouTube! JC Pinoy Aguinaldo, I'm watching you. Okay? I'm watching you.